recording. Stop recording.
Oh wait, here we go. Let's see here.
Back. Button. Camera. Stop recording. Button.
That was on landscape. It's my GE. I think that's a J Series Mini Tech. Has a Matsushita rotary. No, that's a Matsushita compressor. How's going on? It's Matsushita. I don't know if you can see it though. It's cold out here and I don't want to turn the AC on, so maybe in the summer I'll record you guys so you can hear what it sounds like when it's running. Matsushita. There it goes again. Now he's playing my videos. What? Now, there it goes. I think that's Mama over there. Oh, now he's playing me jamming. But that's it, you guys. I don't know if I'm going to record something else because this is going crazy and I don't know what to do. You guys leave me in the comment section if that's a Matsushita compressor or not. I think, ooh, Matsushita, yeah. And long-awaited video. And there's my bed. It's a full size. I don't know if you can see it though. I don't know if you can see something. Yeah, barely did something. There goes the thermostat. Just clicked off. I think that's a heat thermostat. It's satisfied. There's my little heater right there. I don't know if you can see it though. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. And hold on, let me show you guys the heating. Oh, there goes Carl again.
It's Mama.
Ah! I thought I saw Carlo, but now it's you.
It's Mama.
There's Mama. Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby.
Mwah.
Mwah. Love you.
Can you kiss you guys?
Mwah.
Mwah.
Love you.
Love you. I think I'm on a live stream. I never live streamed before.
Don't put your legs up, you know. Thank you. Legs.
You guys, I never live streamed before. I don't know if you can see though. I can't see very well. I have to turn on the lights. Oh no, wait. I should have my flashlight. I'm gonna show you guys the heater while you guys stay here. Hope it's not screen locked because if it's screen locked, I'm gonna be pissed. So,
Camera 2. Stop recording. Button.
doesn't screen locked yet, but I'm gonna show you the heater. Where you guys stay? And there's my little heater. I was behind the air conditioner. But there's a heater. It's a space heater. I don't know if you can see. It's a space heater. I don't know if you can see the brand. No, you can't see. It's dark. And well, you can't see. It's dark. Oh, well, it's night. But P.I. I'm joking. Let me just put you guys. Anyways, my Frigidaire is running. Anyways, leave me in the comment section if you can tell me if that's a Matsushita compressor in my GE or not. So, please leave a comment section below. This is for you, Dilch Productions. Leave me in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.